have a nice backyard. Where's the washing area, please? Hey guys, welcome back to Rochielin. Welcome back to another week of house hunting. I'm here for you guys. I hope you guys have been loving this series. I see I'm getting a lot of likes and comments and the whole work, so thank you. Big up on yourself. I'm doing these videos for you, so remember that if you're interested in any of these properties that I'll be showing today, just send me an email specifying which property you want or which property you're interested in, and I'll definitely forward it back to you. Thank you guys for your support, and remember to like, continue commenting, continue sharing, continue subscribing, and follow me on my Instagram page at Rochielin. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. So we enter, and as we enter to the kitchen. I've covered space. Kind of tight. What's on the other side? Okay. And then down below. The kitchen, living, dining is a little tight, to be honest. So from here to here is 11 feet, and then across there is 13.3 feet. So it's a little tight to do living, kitchen, and dining in one, but it's doable. And bedroom number 1 is here. Just to get a size, the spacing. There's a bedroom over here that has a closet and storage on top. And it's actually a decent size closet. Let me measure the room, the first room. Let's measure the first room. This is 11 feet by 11 by 12. Then you go through the hall. Then you go through the hall. The bathroom is here. And then into bedroom number 2. And then we're back out into the living, kitchen, dining area. And as we walk, we go out to like a veranda area out here. And it opens up to your neighbors, which are right here. And this is the upstairs unit. And then the wash area is here. Oh, it's locked now, but this is the shared wash area. It has a sink and then space to put a washing machine. And it's off to the side. And just to give you what the yard spacing looks like, they have line spacing on the outside. There are several other tenants living here, but this is kind of what the outside looks like towards the back. So your unit will be upstairs right there. Let's go towards the front. So this is what the outside looks like. As I said, it's upstairs to the right, but there are other persons living over there downstairs, and then there's another house in the yard. So this is the outside. And this is the area, the neighborhood. just look at that first unit just now. It's 2 bedroom, 1 bathroom, and an area that looks like kitchen and dining room and living room. It's a little tight to put all of that in one space. I don't really know how that would work. That's $65,000, and the bedroom spaces, I think it's alright. It's standard size spacing. The bathroom, not so bad. I just the living, dining, kitchen area that's a little concerning. You know what you think?
I think there is no living.
Yeah, it's almost as though there's no living room at all.
But trust me, it is looking good. It is not so hot because the ceilings are high.
Yeah, it have high ceilings, so
yeah, when I was there, the breeze was just.
It's cool, and the place kind of eerie. It have a lot of windows, so breeze passing through. So it's not bad. The location is not bad either.
Right, because it's close too.
But just know you're in a yard with a lot of people, so you have a lot of people. That's all. It's like it's not necessarily like an apartment complex. It's more like a house that they build up to be kind of like an apartment complex. But it's not a bad situation. It don't look bad. So definitely, if you're interested, check it out. Remember to email me. Send me an email, and I'll send you the details if you're interested. And guys, when you're sending me the email for the places, please specify which place you're interested in. Okay? And I'll respond accordingly. So ready to continue? Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. So this is kitchen. And it comes furnished. There's a little fridge. I'm taller than the fridge. I've never been taller than anything. I'm actually taller than the fridge.
I almost was about to ask you how old were you?
Oh, I look extra young? How old I look?
Short people only age, so I can. So you can be older than him as well.
Maybe. And the bathroom. Okay, the bathroom is here. Got it. Standing shower. Bathroom, kitchen area here, and then bedroom. So there is no living room, and it's a shared space. So the lounge area is outside, and you're in a yard with multiple people. Have a nice backyard. Where's the washing area, please? Oh, so it comes with this washing machine?
Yeah.
Okay.
You want it?
It washed good?
I have no idea.
Okay.
I washed in there, so I can't tell you.
Okay. I didn't know wash good. Me and you?
Yeah, exactly.
So how many persons live in the yard?
Okay, so you have Nikisha, and there's a gentleman at the front. So you
Just
make the
two?
third person.
Okay. Alright. So this is what the outside looks like. This is the front of the yard. And your unit would be towards the back. And it's a big yard space. So we just looked at that one, $60,000, but they're willing to go $55,000, and that's a 1-bedroom, a kitchen, bathroom. Again, no living room, and even the kitchen space kind of tight. The bedroom kind of tight. It comes fully furnished. It's a little tight for me, but if you're a person that doesn't have a lot of things and you're okay with a smaller space, it's doable, and it's right it's a little down from PriceSmart, so it's kind of central and you know, busy area, close to PriceSmart, close to PriceSmart, off Red Hills Road area. So you know, you have things around, but just know that the inside space is a little tight. There's a lot of persons. There are 2 other persons living in the yard. It's a big yard space, so if they allow you to keep events or you know, like a party, house party, then it's a good yard space for that. But 60, 55, what do you think? Think it's worth it?
Nah.
I don't know, but
No, I think like for probably a college student that
Yeah.
doesn't have stuff.
yeah, it would be suitable for a college person that don't have a lot of things, a single professional, or just a single person or a single couple that don't have a lot of things. It's already furnished, and the furniture not bad, but they're small. Like the fridge, I'm taller than the fridge. You know, the stove tiny, but they're doable.
Yeah.
So you know the drill.
And what I
Message me.
like too about it, it's close to a lot of amenities.
Yeah,
Very close proximity to
yeah,
PriceSmart, Price Right, the supermarket, the bakery.
yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
So that's a plus.
Yeah, so you know the drill, so message me. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. So this is the living room, very big and spacious, and this is the kitchen area. Oh, so this is one of the bedrooms. Okay, so this is the bedroom that comes with a closet area here. So this is 12 feet by 12 feet by 10.5 feet is the size of this bedroom. Awesome. The pipe is leaking.
Yeah, I know, it's alright.
Gonna fix it?
Yeah, man. The person that's before we reported today.
Oh, they just moved out. Okay.
It was reported. It's not until we came and saw it.
Mm-hmm.
But then, can't fix it before tomorrow.
Okay. So this is bedroom number 2. It doesn't come with the bed. There's a closet area here. Closet area here. Have 2 open windows. And let's measure this one too. So this is 11 feet 8 inches by 7 inches thereabout. So I just turned up to this property a while ago and I saw a man and a woman and they're like, "Oh, Rochielin, I recognize you from your channel, I'm subscribed." I didn't get them on camera, probably should have, but it feels so good. Thank you guys for subscribing, all of you that are subscribed, thank you. And don't feel afraid to say hi to me when you see me in person. I don't bite, I promise.
Each apartment have a tub.
Okay.
That's why they really put the work in.
So this is the wash area behind the apartments. So this is what the back of these apartments look like. and this is the washroom area. Okay. Where's the one down to the end?
They do is wash inside the apartment and hang up the clothes out there.
So each unit has a tank for itself? Does that unit have a tank?
What kind of tank?
Water tank. The black jumps.
No, man, no.
So what happened when water gone? There's no water tank for the unit?
There's a water tank, but you have to each unit has one.
Okay. So there's one big tank for the complex?
You have 6 big tanks for the complex.
Understood, okay.
I take the weight on my shoulders. I feel the sky come down on me, and I can't hold it much longer. And I let go so I can be free. Let's go.
Alright, so that one was 2 bedrooms, bathroom, living, kitchen, dining, $70,000, gated complex. I think that it definitely needs some fix up before anybody moves in. It needs some renovation or something. It shouldn't be on the market yet for moving in. It definitely, you know, cause for spend $70,000 and then go in feeding like, I don't know, what do you think? I don't know.
It wants everything. It needs to renovate, it needs to clean.
It needs to repaint.
Yeah.
It needs some work. But
And it's big space, you know?
it's a big spacious place. Here it have a lot of windows and stuff. If they renovate that and make that nice, then it can be worth the $70,000. Definitely can be worth the 70. But right now, yeah, but right now. But hey, to each his own. Somebody was living there and they just moved out 2 days ago, so it's good enough for someone. So if you're interested in it, then you know what to do. Send me an email at rochielin@gmail.com or rochielin.business@gmail.com. Guys, so that's it for this week's video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember, if you see anything that you're interested in, definitely send me an email and I'll forward the information to you. Thank you guys so much for watching, for liking, because I know you did, for sharing, for subscribing, and we're on the road to 20,000 subscribers. So send all of your friends and let them join the family, because you know, new videos every week, sometimes 2 videos, sometimes 3. We don't know, but also do. So thank you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. So bye.